much as you can.
Okay, Queeny, whenever you are ready.
Earlier Sasha mentioned that GMOs can grow in places with less resources. Crops can grow where there is not enough nutrients, like what Sasha mentioned. Sasha also mentioned earlier that GMOs use less pesticides than non-GMO crops, which make it healthier and safer for organisms to consume. There are many more reasons why GMOs are good. GMO crops will take less chemicals, time, and land to produce, which can reduce pollution and greenhouse gas emissions. According to the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations, GMOs would allow farmers to dedicate less real estate to crops. Also, farmers are already growing corn, cotton, and potatoes without spraying bacterial insecticides. GMO crops are also allowing farmers to not have to use chemicals on their crops and produce more food with less land. In addition, according to the Smart Green Tech, GMOs are boosting crop yields while depressing harmful greenhouse gas emissions to less than 10% of conventional rates. You get more food but less greenhouse gases. By not taking up as much land, time, and less use of chemicals, GMO crops can reduce pollution and greenhouse gases. Another claim is that GMO crops can potentially produce vaccines in them, so the vaccines can heal illnesses and possibly cure diseases. According to the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations, scientists have engineered plants to produce vaccines, proteins, and other pharmaceutical goods in a process called farming. The idea of having a vaccine grow in a plant can heal people and have a less chance of having a virus outbreak. According to the University of California, Santa Cruz, the genetic engineering of plants has the potential to provide edible plant vaccines that could be used to immune individuals against a wide variety of infectious diseases. Potentially, people that have an infectious disease like AIDS can have a cure and be immune to the disease just by eating plants. GMOs are good because GMOs can possibly provide a vaccine that can cure the disease. So GMOs are good because they can produce vaccines of the crops to heal and cure the disease. And GMOs don't take up as much time, chemicals, and land to produce. But if we have a vaccine for infectious diseases, not a lot of people will have it. And the procedure for it will probably not cost as much because they're just plants. And by not taking up as much time, chemicals, and land to produce, there can be more food and less time. And that could also go back to Sasha's point of having more food.